viewers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 25 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is adverbs, right? So let's talk about these adverbs. What are they? So they say, like an adjective, an adverb is a describing word. कि एक एडजेक्टिव की तरह एक एडवर्ब भी एक डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड ही होता है. इट डिस्क्राइब्स एक्शंस. बेसिकली जो ये एडवर्ब्स होते हैं ये हमारे एक्शंस को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, यानी कि वर्ब्स को. एन एडवर्ब गिव्स अस such information as how, where and when an action is performed. कि जो एडवर्ब है ये हमें इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है, जैसे कि कोई भी काम कब, कहाँ, कैसे परफॉर्म किया गया था, राइट? एडवर्ब्स आर यूजुअली अटैच्ड टू वर्ब्स. एडवर्ब्स यूजुअली वर्ब्स के साथ ही अटैच किए जाते हैं. दे टेल अस सच थिंग्स एज द मैनर, द प्लेस और द टाइम ऑफ द एक्शन रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द वर्ब. कि ये हमें बताते हैं कुछ चीज़ें जैसे कि मैनर, प्लेस या फिर टाइम या फिर एक्शन जो कि वर्ब के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्रिया डांसेस ग्रेसफुली, राइट? सो दिस शोज द मैनर that how does she dances gracefully. Put the food in the fridge. There to put the food in the fridge. It rained this morning. Morning. What is the time? Right? Morning. Besides adverbs of manner, place and time, there are many other types. कि adverbs of manner, place और time के अलावा भी बहुत सारे adverbs होते हैं. Adverbs mainly modify verbs. Adverbs mainly verbs को modify करते हैं. But they also modify an adjective or another adverb. पर साथ ही साथ ये एक एडजेक्टिव या फिर किसी दूसरे एडवर्ब को भी मॉडिफाई करते हैं, राइट? नाउ हियर वी हैव फंक्शंस ऑफ एडवर्ब्स. अब एडवर्ब्स के फंक्शंस के बारे में बात करते हैं. सो इट इज एडवर्ब्स मॉडिफाइंग वर्ब्स. तो ऐसे एडवर्ब्स जो वर्ब्स को मॉडिफाई करते हैं, व्हाट आर दे? अचीता runs fast. She greeted us warmly. He studies well. Next, adverbs modifying adjectives. ऐसे adverbs जो adjectives को modify करे. They are, she looks very happy. His reaction is fairly natural. John is extremely clever. Next, adverbs modifying other adverbs. अब वो adverbs जो दूसरे adverbs को ही modify करती हैं. So this, he can speak quite clearly. You did extremely well. I went to bed fairly early. Right? Now, moving ahead, let's talk about position of an adverb in a sentence. तो अब एक adverb की position एक sentence में देखते हैं, right? So it says, adverbs can come in any of the three positions in a sentence. कि adverbs जो है वो इन तीनों ही positions में से किसी भी sentence में use की जा सकती हैं, right? So first is in the beginning, कि हम beginning में भी इन्हें use कर सकते हैं. How? Say, soon we were on our way to Delhi. At last, we landed. Mysteriously, the UFO disappeared from view. Correct? Next, we have in the middle, before an action verb, but after the verb be if used. कि बीच में हम यूज कर सकते हैं एक एक्शन वर्ड से पहले पर एक वर्ब बी फॉर्म के बाद, राइट? सो इट इज शी वॉज नेवर बैड टेम्पर्ड. You can often find beggars near temples. I only wanted to help. Next, in the end of after a verb. एक verb के बाद end में हम इसे use कर सकते हैं. How? Let's find out. So it is, she moved aside politely. I am leaving on Wednesday. The UFO disappeared from view mysteriously. When an adverb is used to modify an entire statement, then the adverb is placed in the beginning of the sentence. कि जब एक adverb यूज किया जाता है पूरी स्टेटमेंट को मॉडिफाई करने के लिए, तो जो adverb है वो प्लेस किया जाता है सेंटेंस के बिगिनिंग में यानी स्टार्टिंग में. Just like, luckily the train was not late. Obviously, she was in a hurry. Certainly, you are guilty. Fortunately, no one suffered injuries. Right? Next, we have kinds of adverbs. So, अब बात की जाए kinds of adverbs की. So, what are they? Simple adverbs merely modify verbs. तो ये जो simple adverbs हैं ये verbs को modify करते हैं, adjectives को modify करते हैं या फिर दूसरे adverbs को भी modify करते हैं. Simple adverbs are of following kinds. तो जो simple adverbs होते हैं वो इन सभी तरीकों के होते हैं. Let's read about them. First one is adverbs of manner. Let's talk about the adverbs of manner यहाँ पर, right? So just the adverb of manner tells us how or in what manner the action is done. कि अब जो adverb of manner है वो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई भी काम किस तरीके से किया गया था. Commonly used adverbs of manner are. तो कुछ commonly adverbs of manner जो use किए जाते हैं they are safely, brightly, suddenly, clearly, carelessly, closely, cheaply, speedily, freely, skillfully, correctly, hard, fast, well, and quickly. Right? जैसे कि examples हैं हमारे पास. She is behaving foolishly. Animals can live freely in the forest. Right? Next, we have adverbs of time. So, अब ये adverbs of time क्या है? Let's find out. The adverb of time tells us when something happens or when the action is done. तो adverb of time हमें बताते हैं कि कोई भी काम कब परफॉर्म किया गया था, किस समय पर वो काम हुआ था. Right? So, commonly used adverbs of time are. कुछ commonly use होने वाले adverb of time है late, yesterday, this morning, last night, soon, early, next year, today, tomorrow, still, already, now. Correct? Here we have the examples. Says the plane has already landed. Uncle Sam will come tomorrow. Next, we have the adverbs of place. तो अब बात की जाए adverbs of place के बारे में. The adverb of place tells us where the action takes place. तो adverb of place हमें बताता है कि कोई भी action कहाँ पर यानी किस जगह पर perform किया गया था. So, commonly used adverbs of place are. कुछ commonly used adverbs of place हैं here, there, near, nearby, inside, outside, upstairs, away, abroad, anywhere, everywhere, under, below, over, somewhere, nowhere, far, and out. Right? Now, having a look on the examples. The dog is fierce. Don't go too near. Your seat is there. Correct? Next, talking about adverbs of frequency. So, what are these adverbs of frequency? Let's find out. The adverb of frequency tells us how often an action takes place. तो एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसी जो है वो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई भी एक्शन कितनी बार किया गया था, राइट? सो कॉमनली यूज्ड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसी आर. कुछ कॉमनली यूज होने वाले एडवर्ब्स ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसीज हमें यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं. लेट्स रीड देम. इट इज ऑलवेज, फ्रिक्वेंटली, एनुअली, hourly, usually, monthly, sometimes, ever, rarely, never, often, regularly, seldom, daily, again, once, weekly, twice. Right? Now, here we have the examples. The courier has brought the parcel again. I do not make the same mistake twice. Right? Next, we have adverbs of duration. So, अब बात की जाए adverbs of duration के बारे में. The adverbs of duration tells us how long an action takes place. तो जो एडवर्ब ऑफ ड्यूरेशन है वो हमें बताता है कि कोई भी काम कितनी देर तक चला था. राइट? कॉमनली यूज्ड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ ड्यूरेशन आर. तो कुछ कॉमनली यूज किए जाने वाले एडवर्ब्स ऑफ ड्यूरेशन है ब्रीफली, लॉन्ग, फॉर एजेस, ऑल डे, all night, a long time, temporarily, forever, overnight. Right? So, in examples, we have used them as stand still for a moment and make sure the road is clear. The cinema is closed temporarily for renovations. Next, we have emphasizing adverbs. So, what are these emphasizing adverbs? Let's find out. The emphasizing adverb can be used before adjective or other adverb to emphasize them. कि जो emphasizing adverbs हैं वो यूज की जा सकती है एक adjective से पहले या फिर एक दूसरे एडवर्ब के साथ ताकि उन्हें एम्फेसाइज किया जा सके. कॉमनली यूज्ड एम्फेसाइजिंग एडवर्ब्स आर. कुछ कॉमनली यूज किए जाने वाले एम्फेसाइजिंग एडवर्ब्स हैं रियली, सिंपली, वेरी, एक्सीडिंगली, ट्रूली, फेयरली, क्वाइट, जस्ट, completely, absolutely, utterly, extremely. Right? So the examples are, they have done quite well. He is really strong. Right? Now, next kind of adverb that we have is adverb of degree or quality. So, what are these adverbs of degree and quality? Let's read. So, it says, The adverb of degree or quantity tells us how much or up to what extent the action takes place. कि एक एडवर्ब ऑफ डिग्री या फिर क्वांटिटी हमें बताता है कि कितना या फिर किस हद तक वो काम किया गया है, राइट? कॉमनली यूज्ड एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री और क्वांटिटी आर, कुछ कॉमनली यूज किए जाने वाले एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री और क्वांटिटी हैं वेरी, एनी, फुल्ली, रादर, टू, completely, quite, so, almost, altogether, enough, somewhat. Right? Now let's read about the examples. Your behavior is quite good. I hurt my leg slightly in the accident. Right? Now, next we have the adverbs of reason. So now let's talk about the adverbs of reason. So it says, the adverb of reason tells us why an action takes place. तो adverb of reason हमें बताता है कि कोई भी काम किस पर्पस से किया गया, क्यों किया गया, right? Commonly used adverbs of reason are, तो कुछ commonly use होने वाले adverbs of reason है hence, so that, therefore, as since, because, right? So here we have the examples. I will not stay long as I have work to do. She did not come for the exam because she was sick. Right? Next, we have interrogative adverbs. So, अब बात करते हैं interrogative adverbs के बारे में. The interrogative adverb is used to ask questions. तो इंटैरोगेटिव एडवर्ब जो है वो यूज किया जाता है क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए. द वर्ड्स व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर एंड हाउ आर इंटैरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स. तो जो वर्ड्स हैं व्हेन, व्हाई, वेयर और हाउ, ये सभी इंटैरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स हैं, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव इंटैरोगेटिव एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. तो सबसे पहले बात की जाए अगर इंटैरोगेटिव एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस के बारे में, जैसे वेयर आर यू गोइंग ड्यूरिंग हॉलीडेज, वेयर विल यू स्टे इन मसूरी, राइट? नेक्स्ट, इंटैरोगेटिव एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. अब बात की जाए इंटैरोगेटिव एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम के बारे में, such as when will you go to office, when do you want your shirt ready. Next is interrogative adverb of manner. तो interrogative adverb of manner में क्या है? How did you make this pudding? How will you drive so far? Next, interrogative adverb of reason. तो अब अगर बात की जाए interrogative adverb of reason के बारे में, such as why were you late? Why did you tell a lie? Next, interrogative adverb of degree and quantity. So let's talk about the interrogative adverb of degree and quantity. So it is how deep is the Pacific Ocean? How much weight can you carry? Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.